So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Bybit X Mavia campaign where I'm going to grab a share of 1.2 million Mavia token. The reward for participating in this campaign is 40 Mavia, which is over $290. I actually shared a similar campaign on my YouTube channel and my community got over $300 worth of airdrop. Without wasting any of your time, let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video if you don't have one yet. Scroll down, then tap on more, then locate this campaign. The event is going to end by 26th of February. We have Perk 1 up to Perk 3. Unfortunately for the Perk 3, you are gonna get free $5 if you make use of affiliate link to participate in this campaign. Fortunately, I am an affiliate, and if you make use of the link in the description of this video, you are gonna get guaranteed $5 reward. Make sure you have installed the Heroes of Mavia game. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. You actually have to complete a task which is needed from the game. The task is to upload a screenshot of your game dashboard highlighting your username. I'm going to walk you through on how to set it up. First thing first, follow Mavia and Bybit on X. Just tap on it, it's gonna redirect you to Twitter, then follow all the necessary accounts. The next thing that you are required to do is to retweet a post and attach your Mavia game dashboard. But before explaining it, let me quickly explain this task. You actually have to complete a USDT deposit of at least 100 USDT, but it doesn't really matter whether you have up to $100. Even if you don't have up to $100, you can deposit maybe $10 10 times, or if you have $50, complete your USDT deposit 2 times, and that's pretty much it. So I've completed my USDT deposit. The next thing that I'm required to do is to trade at least 100 USDT worth of Mavia. Like I said, if you don't have up to $100, you can just accumulate the trading volume. Let's say you have $10, you can just buy and sell the Mavia token maybe 10 times, depending on the capital that you have. In this case, I have $100, so I'm just going to buy and sell once. So that's pretty much it. So let me show you guys on how to actually set your username on Mavia, because you are going to provide this information in the form being provided on the Bybit campaign. This is how the game looks like. All you have to do is to just pass this level and you are going to be redirected to a page to actually set your username. Once you are done with all those steps, this is gonna load up. Then all you have to do is just set your desired username, then tap on accept. Once you've set it up, the next thing that you are going to do is to screenshot your dashboard highlighting the username. So let me walk you through on how you are going to complete this task. Just tap on the post, it's gonna take you to Twitter. What you're gonna do is to like the post. Once you like the post, then tap on the retweet icon. Once you tap on the retweet icon, tap on this quote icon. Then you are going to provide the screenshot of your game dashboard and also the screenshot of your deposit plus the trading order. Let me walk you through on how you are going to find it. Kindly note that this part that I'm adding about deposit and trading, it is optional. They stated that they only needed the screenshot of your game dashboard. However, on their Twitter, they actually said the screenshot of your game dashboard plus your deposit plus the trade. That's why I'm adding it. So it's up to you whether you want to add it. In this case, I'm adding mine. So let us now complete all the necessary steps. So let me tap on the quote retweet, then let me provide the screenshots of my trading data, my deposit, and the dashboard of my Mavia game. The next thing that you are going to do is to tag Bybit and add your Mavia username, and you can also decide to add a write-up. Make sure not to make identical comments the same way I did, so that it's not going to be suspicious to Bybit. Once you've published the tweet, the next thing that you are going to do is tap on the share icon, then copy the retweet link. Head over back to your Bybit and paste the link here. Then the next thing to do is to input your Mavia username. The next thing to do is to select whether you are using iOS or Android to play the game. Then lastly, tap on submit. I have a Telegram group where I post crypto airdrops, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Subscribe.